Syntha-6 is one of BSN's most popular and effective protein supplements. It is a nutritious and multifunctional protein supplement as it includes essential amino acids, essential fatty acids, and it's a good source of fiber. BSN boasts of the delicious flavors of the Syntha-6, and we have to agree, it's one of the most delicious protein powders on the market right now. Comes in 10 different flavors, which all taste incredible, and at the end you leave wanting more. Bioengineered Supplements and Nutrition Inc., BSN, was founded in 2001, and since then it has become a global leader in the sports nutrition marketplace through relentless dedication to creating dynamic, cutting-edge, and result-producing products. BSN has ticked all the right boxes when it comes to making a protein supplement for bodybuilders. Most of the protein supplements on the market are simply a mixture of whey and isolate protein. Artificial color and flavors are then added to these powders to make them delicious. Syntha-6 is unlike any of these protein supplements. It includes ingredients that delay the process of digestion. This provides a sustained level of amino acids in the blood. This helps the muscle building process throughout the day. Wonder why it's called Syntha-6? It's not a random name. It's called Syntha-6 because this protein supplement is built by bringing together 6 different proteins. Its formula comprises a blend of 6 types of slow and fast digesting proteins. Many top athletes like Ronnie Coleman, formerly Neil Yoda Hill, Flex Lewis, formerly India Polino, and Conor McGregor endorse BSN. This says a lot about the quality and effectiveness of the brand and its product. If this is your first time on this channel and you like this video, we do all kinds of videos like this for all kinds of different products, all aimed at providing you the selection of the best products, making your decision easier. So if you don't want to miss anything, please consider subscribing.